Welcome back mga kada to share. In this video, I will share to you on how to make your class active and enjoyable using PowerPoint presentation as a form of your fan activity. So enjoy this presentation, this video. I hope that you will learn something about it. Go to your search bar, type your PowerPoint, or you can open it if you have it on your screen. Choose blank design. Choose black for the background. You can choose any color depending on your choice. Remove the text box and customize your own. Insert arrow. And add start text. Add another text box and type your questions for your lesson. Add text box again for the choices of your questions. Repeat the process. Let's say we have 4 questions only. Now, add box to cover the questions. Copy and paste the box. Change the color variations. Add picture that you wish to hide, which of course has relation to your class. Cover it with 4 boxes with same colors to your questions. Take note, you can have as many boxes as your questions, but make it sure that it should be the same color as your questions. Duplicate the first slide. Remove the yellow box. Hyperlink the arrow box to slide 2. Add new slide. Insert image. You can use memes or even your picture. This slide is for the wrong answer. Insert text. Now let's hyperlink our slides. Slide 1, click the start shape and hyperlink it to slide 2. Duplicate slide 2 and transfer it to slide 4. You have prepared questions from your past lesson where it could also be used as motivation. Click the shape text and hyperlink it to slide 4 for the correct answer. Hyperlink the wrong answer to slide 3. Click the shape text and hyperlink it to slide 2. Go back to the questions. Now delete the box yellow in the hidden picture and green box to the hidden questions. Duplicate slides 3 and 4. Go to slide 4 and repeat the process of hyperlink from slides 2 and 3. You can add text congratulations to the last slide or anything that you think best suits your learners' interests and preferences. Now let us preview our activity game. For more animated and fun game to your lesson, please watch the videos below. Please notify me or comment below if you want to have a soft copy of this material. It is for free. Just subscribe for the latest tutorial for more updates. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.